Finally, Google has officially announced image to video in VO 3. And let me show you how to get the best video using just a single image. It's super cool, so let's check it out. First, you'll need an image you want to convert into a video. For example, I'm using this White Walker image, and I'm going to turn it into a full video. Now here's how it works. To generate a video from your image, you'll need a descriptive prompt. So head over to ChatGPT and ask something like, give me a text-to-video prompt for this image. Here's what's in the scene. You can use the same idea I used. Just describe what you want to happen in the video, and it'll generate a prompt for you. Now go to Google Flow, and here you'll see a brand new option, Frame to Video. Click on that. Then upload your image, enter the prompt you got from ChatGPT, or just type out what you want to see in the video. Next, choose your output settings, like how many frames per prompt, and the VO model you want to use. Click Generate, and that's it. It'll start creating your video right away. This is awesome. We now get image to video with full audio included. I'm testing a few more prompts right now, and the results are looking amazing. You can also try the text-to-video option. Just select it, enter your prompt, and watch the magic happen. Don't worry, all the prompts I use will be shared in the Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Check the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts on this brand new feature in the comments. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and have a great day.